The ASH annual meeting is the world's most comprehensive hematology event of the year.
On Friday, prior to the official start of the meeting, researchers gathered for the scientific workshops, which are planned by members of the scientific community. These interactive workshops featured discussions of the latest developments in cutting-edge areas of hematology. Topics range from hematology and aging to diagnostic techniques in classical and malignant hematology.
The importance of this workshop was the idea to put together the diagnostic algorithm of immune cytopenias, from red blood cell disorders to immune thrombocytopenia and immune neutropenia. And we also managed to merge a workshop together with oncohematologists dealing with the diagnosis of oncohematologic disease by performing very sensitive and specific molecular testing.
So a lot of these conditions are predominantly clinically diagnosed, and it's important to have a validation of our diagnosis with more sophisticated testing. There is advances in diagnostic techniques, particularly in blood banking and in antibody detection in platelets as well as ITP, and it's helpful for clinicians as well as scientists to have a laboratory validation of these findings.